Hip hip!
Yay!
Hip hip!
Yay!
Hip hip!
Yay!
Welcome all of us. It's a great joy today to be together, to gather here together and start at our first foundation where the company was founded.
In our profile there's that picture of Davis Shirtliff with the old car, you all know it? Yes. That building was about where these petrol pumps are. It's a wonderful thing to do, to walk from here to celebrate the great changes and success that we've had over the years. We're starting from where we started and we're going to end up where we've arrived today.